Okay, so condition this small amount of clay here in my hands. It's like a little sausage, I suppose. Now, the thickness, I don't know, probably, I don't know. There's a ruler here, so let's find out. The thickness is about 1 centimetre or 10 millimetres, half an inch I'd say, at a guess. So I will get my knife and I will cut this in half, right? Take away half and then cut that in half again, right? Don't know if that camera's set up properly. Be good. And squeeze it down, taking the side that's got less clay and putting it alongside the eye and towards the side of the head, or the back of the head, and then blending it in. This will be your temples. You'll do the same on one side as you did to the other. I'm going to save time by doing the blending off camera. So once again, squeeze it down. Why does that look upside down? Silly camera. That's a bit better. I think I don't know what I've done. Okay, so slim side towards the eye, just at the edge. Press it in. Blend it in. And towards the back of the head. So you won't have any seam here either, at the very, very edge of the eye once you've finished doing it. And you'll have the exact amount on one side as you will the other, right? So it looks pretty funny right now, so like that. But once you finish blending it all, that will be just great, okay? So I'll do the blending off camera so that you don't bore you sitting here watching me, and I'll come back to the next particular stage. Okay,